Hi guys, and welcome back to the Detailing Tech Tips YouTube channel, and today we're testing a product from the brand Dooka. So this is the Dooka Wash, and this is a coating shampoo. So this is the sample size. We got this, well, I don't know when. I found it in the cupboard, and we haven't reviewed it yet. We haven't even tried it. So yeah, perfect chance to try it. This car was protected, coated about 11-12 months ago. So this shampoo, the benefits of it is meant to clean and bring those properties back from the coating. So that's what we're going to try and see if it does today. So before we start trying it, let's see what this is all about. So I'm just going to read off my phone because there's no instruction labels on there. So let's see what this says. So it says Dooka Wash, 11 months in the making. Dooka Wash is a mildly alkaline automotive shampoo that has been formulated for cleaning coated cars. And then it says, Wash is a pure, high foaming and high lubricated formula that unclogs the coating by breaking down the road grime and traffic film, whilst being gentle on the coating. Free rinsing leaves no residues, gloss enhancers or waxes to interfere with the coating surface. So when you've got a protected car, especially a ceramic coating, you've got to be careful which products you actually use, because some products actually leave waxes or actually leave sort of products on the car to like gloss enhancers to make it look like even better, which is nice because, well, your car looks better, but it's not that great for the coating. So let's have a look. So the dilution ratios, it says dilute between 500 to 800 between 500 and 800 to 1, or just add a glug, depending on water hardness. It does say though to add it into warm water. Yeah, so that's about it. So basically drop a bit into the bottom of the bucket, fill it up with warm water, and then yeah, you're pretty much ready to go. This product comes in 3 different sizes, so 500ml, a litre, and then 5 litres as well. So and the price, so for the 500ml, it will be $11.95 for 500ml. So let's take this down to the tap. Let's get it diluted, and then yeah, we'll try it on the car and see sort of if it does bring any of that coating back. We did decon this car a few weeks ago, so the coating should be pretty good, but yeah, let's see if this product actually helps any more. Okay, so as you've just seen, dropped a glug in here of the shampoo, and then yeah, filled it up with warm water. You can see there's clearly loads of bubbles in here, so yeah, it looks quite promising, to be fair. So now, before we start using it on the car, I'm gonna quickly pre-wash it with Snowfoam, clean the wheels, and then yeah, we'll get onto this. Just one thing before I start. This shampoo sort of smells of sort of like Parma Violet sort of smell. So yeah, it's got quite a nice smell. So let's get on with pre-washing the car, and then yeah, we'll start playing with the shampoo. Okay, so now the car's all been snow foamed, left to dwell, and then rinsed off. I didn't film that bit because I've done it 1,000 times on this channel. So yeah, let's get on with the washing. So I'm going to start with the bonnet, and yeah, I'll just sort of see how it goes on, how it cleans. So as you sort of wash in the car, yeah, the smell gets even stronger, which is quite nice. quite foamy as well when you first put it on, and then after, well, a bit, the suds aren't really there. Well, that's on the bonnet anyway. Okay, so now we'll move to the roof and the windscreen, and yeah, we'll carry on around the car. Okay, so that's about half of the car done. Done the bonnet, the front end, the roof, windscreen, and this side. The only downside to it at the minute is the suds don't really stay on the car. I don't know whether that's to do with the coating, with how it's performing, which is good, or the shampoo. So I'm not too sure. But yeah, let's go around and do the other side, and then we can rinse it off. Okay, so that's the car all rinsed off. Okay, so that's the car all washed now. Like I said, the bubbles don't actually stay around for that long. Like, in looking down that side, you can't actually tell that you've had shampoo on it, which I do like that in a shampoo. But you can sort of tell where you've been. Some shampoos, the suds sort of stay on the car, but yeah, with this one, it hasn't really. Which, it's not the end of the world. It's just a benefit when you're doing bigger cars, so you sort of know where you've been, because you can see like the suds on the panel. So now I'm going to rinse it off. Okay, so that's the car all rinsed off now. It's rinsed off really well. Like I say, there wasn't any suds left sort of on the car, on the panels that I'd washed anyway. So I've given it a good rinse to make sure all the shampoo's off. But yeah, it was quite easy to rinse off. No visible shampoo left on there. And I think it's helped the coating a tiny bit as well. So before the coating was in decent condition, but I think it's just helped that tiny little bit. Like the water behaviour is a bit better now. So my thoughts on this. This product smells really nice. Like I said, it smells like Parma violets. So yeah, it's quite a nice smell to it. When diluting it in the bucket, you do get a lot of suds. That said, when you're about halfway through the car, yeah, the suds in the bucket did die down quite a bit, which I'll get the bucket now. So I don't know whether you can see, but yeah, there's hardly any suds in there. It's just like a tiny bit on the top of the water. It's not like it was first, which some shampoos that I've tried in the past, those really big amount of suds are still there when you've finished the car, so you can easily go and wash another car if your water's clean in your bucket. So that is one downside to it. And then, yeah, like I said, another downside, which is just personal to me, I do like when you're going around the car and the suds stay actually on the car, just so you can sort of see where you've been and where you haven't really. It's not the end of the world, because, well, if you just start on the roof and work your way round, yeah, if you do it the same way every single time, you're not really going to miss anything. But yeah, it's just that visual, so you can actually see. Apart from that, the Washmitt did glide across the paint. There was no sticking, so that's ticked. Cleaning wise, the car wasn't too dirty, it was just dusty. I don't know whether I've got a picture of the car before, but yeah, it wasn't too bad. But the car looks really nice now, so the only thing I need to do now is dry it. So yeah, made it pretty easy. And when cleaning, it did sort of get all the dust and everything off sort of first round. Didn't have to go over again with the Washmitt, sort of like redo the panel or anything. So cleaning wise, it did clean pretty well. The price, like I said, $11.95 for the 500ml, and then well, it goes up on the 1 litre and 5 litre. So average sort of price really, because, well, it's made for coated cars, so you do get a sort of little added premium on there, just because there's some more research and that gone into it to help maintain the coating. So price wise, it's all right. So yeah, that was the Dooka Wash review. Go check them out. I'll leave all the links below for their website. They do a lot of different products, from Washmitts to sort of like physical chemical products. So yeah, go check them out. Cheers for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next week for another video.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.